Hello there and welcome back. So are you looking for a simple, stress-free chapati recipe that will give you perfect results every time? Then I got you covered. So for this recipe, I used 6 cups of all-purpose unbleached wheat flour. I personally use some scrum brand that is Dakota made, but you can use any wheat flour of your choice depending on where you live. And that's the wheat flour I'm talking about. Then I used 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I give it a quick mix. And for this recipe, I also used half a cup of cooking oil, and to be specific, I'm using canola oil. And together with that, I also used 2 tablespoons of melted butter, as you have seen. My choice of canola oil was because of its good heart-healthy properties. Then I give it a quick mix. And at this point, I'm rubbing the oil into the flour so that the oil and the flour are well incorporated. And the result I'm looking for is what you can see right now. It looks like some soft gravel or some soft sand. So on this other side, I'm heating up some water to almost a boiling point, but not quite. We are using 2.5 cups of hot water, and that is my half cup. And because our water is very hot, we're gonna be mixing it up with a wooden spoon because we don't wanna burn ourselves. And at this point, I'll need to knead my dough for like 10 to 15 minutes until I have a soft dough. And in case you're asking, I got this mat from Amazon. The secret of a good soft chapati depends on how you make your dough. Some of the things to consider is good quality wheat flour, the temperature of your water. You can use cold, warm, or hot water, and this will give you different results. The amount of oil you use and the quality of the oil you use for kneading your dough, how long you knead your dough and how you knead it, and how long you let your dough rest. And I also forgot to mention that you can also use boiling water. All this will give you different results. So at this point, I'm using the rest of the cooking oil, breaking up the dough, and then mixing up the oil into the dough. Remember, this was a part of the half a cup that we had mentioned at the beginning. Then we are continuing the kneading process. You have to take a lot of your time here because if you don't do it right, you're not gonna get some soft chapatis. And then I went ahead and covered it up because I don't want my dough to dry up. By letting the dough rest, we are allowing the flour to absorb all the water and then help it come together nicely. We're also letting the gluten relax and then make it easier for us to work with the dough, and the dough is less likely to shrink back. So after 30 minutes are over, I came back to check on our dough, and that is what I was expecting. Our dough is soft, stretchy, and easy to roll out. I divided our dough into 2. I'm gonna work with half of the dough first. And as you can see, our dough is well rested and the gluten is well relaxed and our dough is not shrinking back. At this point, I'm going to spread some cooking oil onto the surface of the dough. Dust it with some wheat flour. And this is where the layers on our chapatis are made. And there are different methods of rolling our chapatis, and I'm going to be showing you different ones on this channel, but that is what I'm using right now. And for me, I like some thin chapatis, so I'm gonna have 10 chapatis from these 6 cups of flour. And then I'm repeating the process for the rest of the dough. And as you can see, I'm keeping my dough covered all the time because I don't want our dough to dry up. And after I was done, I let it rest for a few more minutes, approximately 10 minutes. And as you can see here, you need to keep rolling and turning your dough so you get some loud chapatis. And there's no perfection here, we are just trying our best. So don't stress yourself so much that you have to have some very loud chapatis. But that is how you get some good loud chapatis. And as you can see, our pan is ready to go. And what I'm waiting for is to see those bubbles. And that tells us that our chapati is ready. What I went ahead and did is I put some cooking oil on the bottom side, putting a little pressure on our chapati, and that is what will give us a brown color that you're really looking for on that chapati. Also, remember to line up where you're going to be putting your chapatis with the paper towel. This is because chapatis can get soggy as they sweat when you cover them up, because you don't want some soggy chapatis. And as you can see, our chapatis are looking very delicious. They are soft, they are layered, and they were very tasty. And at this point, I want to request you to subscribe to my channel. Hit up the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And before I forget, welcome to my new kitchen. In this new kitchen, I have some more space, and you're gonna be trying some more recipes that you could not try in my previous kitchen. So thank you so much. I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. And until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.